Hello guys, today we are here in this apartment in Budapest. This is the main entrance with the corridor. Here we have a full mirror. If we continue, we're gonna find here the heating and then another corridor that lead us to the bathroom and also to the kitchen. This is the lights and the heating. Here we have the bathroom with the dryer and the heating unit as well. This is the shower, the toilet, and this is the bathroom area and the kitchen area. We have a double bed. The kitchen is equipped. We have the microwave, oven, TV, AC. It has all the cluttering. It's full equipped. And the oven and the stove. It's in perfect conditions. And here's the fridge. Here we have two cabinets for you to store your clothes. We have this window and the heating unit. Double bed. TV. And this is our view. It's very quiet here, as you can see. Today we are freezing, but it's a beautiful morning. And that's it. This is the property we have here, so you can just cover everything, black out. And that will be all. Thank you so much.